Cumulatively, this command line applications which we use to run the commands are known as terminal emulators. Um, Actually, I am using item 2, that is not official version. We have to go to the other folder, and this is the official version in case of Mac, and in case of Linux you will find us um, with the name terminal in most cases, in most distributions whatsoever. uh, Actually, the older generation like us used with a command line because we were not used with graphical user interface we normally see in this computers right now. So we have some idea about the basic commands, and these commands are more than enough for installing softwares like uh, Apache, or installing WordPress, setup of WordPress on a bare server. And also it is important for maintenance works in your Mac or Linux PC. So there can be specific guide, like for example on grep command we have explained grep commands with much example. But actually the previous article which we have shown have the all the needed commands, which beyond that you will not need to use. Even if you ever need to use, you can easily use Google search. That is very useful tool. So the first thing is that we can maximize the screen. First thing is not maximizing screen. First thing is to know the some basic commands. For example, pwd for showing the path we were, and change directory to cd. Cd stands for change directory. Here we go. Users folder. ls mean list the all the files and folders in this folder in the that directory. I have moved to a convenient plus, I guess. So, and this dot dot means one level up. So I am already in the top possible folder. It is not possible to go up. And clear command clears the screen. It actually clears from your view. You can scroll up and see the older commands. And the cursor, that up and down cursor in case of MacBook Pro, will bring the older commands. That is easy. Another interesting command is man. Man is for manual. This is the manual of the manual. So man. This is a wrong command. You can see this is actually bhai is for bhim. So not it is bhai man, but it is man bhai. Man bhai means open the manual of bhai. That is bhim. But bhai Man command means to ask him to create or open a file named man. For example, we can change the directory, that means cd to git ftp. So there are three folders. Now, if I want to run any man command, if there is no entry, I will not get any return. But if it is a valid entry, for example, man ruby, I will get the ruby command. To get back, I have to type that colon and q and hit return from the keyboard, and which command actually shows the path of the installed program, which Python, which Ruby are examples. Now another important command, rather important argument, that is how to run a command. For example, if you git ftp, there will be an option, then there will be the URL. It has a pattern. Every software has a pattern of usage. Command line is not an exception. Basically, the graphical user interface or GUI is nothing in the background. They're running the same command line thing. This is a, a text file, for example. We can create in this way with vim or y.